Hey, let's jump in. This is a beast of a driveway, 12,000 square foot. And like every other YouTube video, you're gonna start with one of these guys. It's called a surface cleaner. You can buy one yourself. I hired this guy, Josh. He's a high schooler starting his own business here in Fort Wayne doing pressure washing. He had a couple of these and a few machines. And then I went out and picked up an 18-inch one made by DeWalt. They really will do a great job, but you wanna have decent products that you're working with. And that's gonna be from your equipment that you're going to use, your pressure washer, and then also the sealer that you're eventually going to spray on the driveway. Now, I'm a contractor, and my concrete guy, he recommended V-Seal 101. I picked it up at a concrete supply place in Fort Wayne. It was about $220 per jug. They came in 5-gallon jugs, so it's pretty expensive stuff. We've got a few $1,000s just in product. But here's an assessment of the driveway. You can kind of see the damage over the past few years. Now, this has never been sealed. It's probably 10 years old, and there was a lot of construction that happened in this location over the past couple years. So heavy traffic, heavy usage, tire marks, a couple things left out, little rust spots, and some things you just are never going to get them off the driveway. Once that thing is cleaned up, basically you can see what we did here. I got the backpack sprayer, I got my wife and my daughter, and we just started spraying and rolling. That's it, spraying and rolling. What's up?
I need this for my Tinder profile.
Who are you gonna call? This is afterwards, and like I said, some of these little stains, if you have oil stains that happened on your driveway before you sealed it, you know, they're just permanently going to be in that driveway space. But again, a driveway is really just a road. You're not, you know, it's not your living room floor. The main thing of the sealer is you want to protect it so that the water will bead off of that driveway. That's what you're looking for, that it'll stop penetrating. And that, again, if you're in a northern climate, it's going to help tremendously. The spray pot process is really simple. You can use a pump pot. I started with a brand new backpack sprayer. It holds 5 gallons. I will tell you, if you're going to do a huge job, it's kind of a beast, spraying it for hours at a time, carrying the 5 gallons at a time. What's interesting, as soon as this product goes on, it goes on real dark, and you can see clearly. But as soon as it's sealed and dried in there, and you spray this product on, it's amazing. It will not go on and look dark like this. So it works immediately. You do recommend. It is recommended from all the videos I watched that you want to get one of these big foam rollers and just have somebody come in and roll, just do a back roll. You don't want to leave any puddles, and you just want to make sure that all the nooks and crannies are getting filled in. This we just had to clean. And look at the difference. And have no sealer, and it's all wet. And that was sealed a few hours ago. This project took a couple of days. There were 2 guys pressure washing the driveway. I think they had at least 15 to 16 man hours. And then we started again on Saturday at 10 a.m. We had to finish pressure washing because you've got to hose off all that surface dirt. And then these girls came back around 4 o'clock in the afternoon and worked another 4 hours just spraying and rolling, and we still have a little bit left to do. In the end, best way to preserve your investment.